told me who you are. I thought I was mistaken. I thought I heard your words. Tell me, how do I feel? Tell me, how do I feel? Those who came before me lived through their vocations, from the past until completion. They will turn away no more, and I still find it so hard to say what I need to say. But I'm quite sure that you will tell me just how I should feel today. I see a ship in the harbor, I can't then shall they. But if I wasn't for your misfortunes, I'll be heavenly person today. And I thought I was mistaken, and I thought I'd heard you speak. Tell me, how do I feel? Tell me, how should I feel? Now I stand here waiting. I thought I told you to leave me while I walk down to the beach. Tell me, how does it feel?